Triumph Property Management in Las Vegas, Nevada presents a two-story townhouse on 7017 Knob Creek Street in Las Vegas, Nevada. This home is in a gated northwest community with shopping, schools, casinos, and easy highway access nearby. The home features an open floor plan with wood floors, window coverings, designer colors, and is ready for immediate move-in. The open living area has recessed lighting, ceiling fan with light, and a chandelier in the dining area. The open kitchen has a center island breakfast bar, solid counters, and stainless steel appliances. The backyard has a covered patio and is fully landscaped. The guest bathroom has a tile floor and a pedestal sink. The attached two-car garage has storage shelves, auto door opener, and direct entry to the home. The laundry room is downstairs and has a tile floor and a washer and dryer included in the rent. The upstairs has 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The second and third bedrooms have a ceiling fan with light, carpeting, and window blinds. The full second bathroom has a tub shower combo. The master bedroom has a vaulted ceiling, fan with light, and a balcony. The master bathroom has a large walk-in closet, double sink vanity, tub shower combo, and a water closet. The balcony has mountain views and overlooks the backyard. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhouse with 1,613 square feet is available now for rent. Contact one of Triumph's friendly real estate agents to view this property by calling 702-367-2323 or visit our website, vegasrentnow.com, to view our list of vacancies.